Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to connect Emerson Movicon.NExT to Prosys OPC UA simulator step by step. I will show you how to configure simulator endpoint and set up driver named Emerson Movicon.NExT and get data live flowing. Let's get started. First, we should start the Prosys OPC UA simulator. Okay. In here, we need the connection address, this endpoint OPC TCP, this one. Then we need object simulator. This for the type. We just need this one, count this type. Okay. Now we start Movicon.NExT. Okay. We start this project, advanced project wizard. We choose local project. Next, we name OPC UA. Okay. Next is screen number. We choose 1. Okay. Here's the screen width. We choose here 600. Oh, sorry. 600. This is 600. Okay. It's the screen back color. We choose blue. Okay. Next, we just keep. We don't use this one. Alarm and history. That's it. Finish. We can see in here screen. This one we create already. Look here. Now we don't need this one. First, we should set up driver. Go to IO data server. Double click. You can see here the driver. The top from left, third one. Then in here screen, right click, new, add a new driver. Then needs all the driver just here. We can go down. We can find this OPC UA client. Okay, click. Okay. Next, you just keep everything. Okay, finish. Then go to tag list. We right click, add a new tag. You can see his property. We can write down tag 1. Okay. Then go to execution. Go to the physical IO address. Double click dot. This was 3 dot. Click here. We can see in here dynamic setting. Okay. We here item. Click here. Okay. We should add endpoint. In here we should copy this Prosys OPC UA simulator service, this endpoint, okay? Copy, okay? Okay. Then did you see here? It's look plug, double click. In here, we can find. In here, it's all the OPC UA service. It's the stuff. Okay, we can go to simulator. Simulation, we can find simulation, all the same thing. This one. In here, all the same thing. Okay, we just choose one. Is count. Okay. Okay. Oh, here. Sorry. In here, we should station is 0. Okay. That's it. Okay. Now we go to screen. We create a screen. We go to toolbox. Go to here. We can find a gadget. We drag and drop this one gadget from here. Okay. And we still use display. We go to display this one. Okay. Then we can set the tag list. In here, we choose this gadget. We drag this one, tag 1, drag and drop to this one. Okay, and drag this one. Okay, we can see. Okay, it's tag. In here, tag 1. Okay, is this one. Tag 1. Okay, that's it. Now we should setting is display. Go to the OPC UA. Its name. Go to property. We can say style or project startup. Is a startup page which choose main screen. Then it's the startup screen name. We double click here. Double click here. This screen, screen 1. Okay. That's it. Then we choose screen or screen 1. We go to property. We choose in here background. Its background is this one. So it's Windows styles. We should choose normal. If you use maximum, it's cover all the screen you can back. Okay, so just the normal. That's it. See, now we can try. Yes. Okay, we can see here. Look, this reading is coming. Look, we check this one. Look here. Is count. Look, 25, 26, 27, 28. That's it. Okay. That's it. Just be careful. Here, just a setting. Okay. If you also, you should confirm this when you connect to the tag. Okay. Thank you very much.